How to change iCloud email address. Let's get started. Launch your settings app. Here we go. At the very top, you'll find your Apple ID. Click on it. Now go ahead and open this option, Sign in and Security. Now over here, you're going to find different sections. At the top, you'll find the email and phone number that is linked with your iCloud. Now click on this option, Edit. Now you'll find this red icon. You have to click on it. Click on the option of Delete. Choose another email address. You must choose another email address as your Apple ID before removing your old email address. Click on Choose another email. Now you have to enter your iPhone's passcode. Now type a new email address for your iCloud. After you type in the email address, click on Continue. Now you have to verify the email address. You will be receiving verification code in the email address that you have just entered. You have to type in that code over here, and with that your iCloud email address will be changed. Well, that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily change iCloud email address. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.